Mm, it's so good. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate every one of you. Today, guys, we are making meat pie. Okay, I'm gonna be making meat pie today. Yeah, I've already have my flour here. Okay, then I have my butter. I have my salt and my baking powder. Okay, I'll go ahead and add a little salt. Not too much because the butter is salty, okay? Sprinkle just a little salt and a little baking powder. This is optional. You can decide to add baking powder or not. Just a little baking powder. Then I'll just mix them together. Then I'll take my butter. My hands are clean. Then I'll you guys can see it properly. My kids they love meat pie. One of their favorite snacks. I you guys right there. No school today too. Then holiday today. Yesterday was holiday. Today is holiday too. Enjoying the weekend. This is how it looks now. Now I'm going to crack in my two eggs. I'm going to take my water. You can use milk, but I'm using water. All right, guys. This is how it look. I'm going to wrap it up now. Keep it in the fridge. I like to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then let's go and prepare the fillings for the meat pie, okay? All right, guys. Now it's time to make the fillings, okay? I have my carrots. potato, and ground beef. Okay. So a little oil, little small one, because the beef has oil. And also I have my, also I have diced onions and habanero pepper. I like adding habanero pepper to my meat pie. Okay. Little bit of thyme, no seasoning. Just gonna stir fry for about a minute. Then I add my ground beef. I'm just gonna cook this till it's kind of pale, okay? I'll cover it. I'll be right back. I'm going to add my diced potato and the diced carrot to the ground beef. I'll go ahead and add some salt and some no seasoning. Then I'll cover it and allow it to cook. Alright guys, let's check back on our food. Now I'm just going to add in this flour. I mix it with water just to make sure it thickens, okay? Okay, I'm just going to allow it to cook for about a minute, then it's going to be ready. Then I'll allow it to cool down before we start making the meat pie, okay? All right, guys, let's make the meat pie, okay? The filling is ready. This is our dough. And this is my meat pie cutter. And this is the pan, okay? I've already cleaned my surface, okay? I'm just going to use some powder flour. Okay. The amount that I want. Then I spread it. While I was doing this, the oven is preheating for 350 degrees. Then I'm going to take my meat pie cutter. Cover it up. I did the rest of the dough off camera, okay? I didn't get to show you guys everything. Then I put it inside the oven and allow it to bake till they are all ready. Okay, guys, meat pie is ready, guys. Meat pie is ready. Look at the icon. Meat pie is ready. Fresh from the oven. Yummy. Mm, it's so good. Mm. All right, guys. We've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. I hope you guys enjoy cooking, baking this meat pie with me, okay? I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys. Bye. Make sure to thumbs up the video. Mm, 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 mm.